lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn way. Everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss more everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss more everything. Yeah. Boss more everything. Yeah. I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
I need some air in this. Some air in this real quick. Jesus Christ. Hot as in here. And LA is like 92 degrees. And my ass over here working while sitting here and shoot this video real quick. But I want to talk to you about something that if you keep this in mind in general, you're gonna understand something that's gonna help you really get somewhere. And that is something that I've heard, you'll hear this in a lot of motivational speeches, a lot of different things, especially from some of the most iconic motivational speakers that, you know, they're just legends in my book, okay? So there's a saying that there's a season to sow and there's a season to reap. Bing bong. And what that means is you're never going to reap in the same season that you sow, okay? It means you're planting seeds, okay? Sowing, all right? Which is a weird word for that, but maybe you're tying them into the ground. It's gotta be real. I don't know what it's called. Anyway. Killer. But any work that you put in today, you're not gonna get rewarded for until the next season. Let's say 3 months from now, possibly, you know, 2, 3, 4 seasons, maybe a whole year. You gotta remember that. But the reason why I'm making this video is so that you don't expect that. We expect instant gratification. It's what we want. It's what we crave as humans from an evolutionary standpoint. We want that instant gratification. That's why we eat candy bars, why we eat food even when we don't need it. We want the, you know what I'm saying? Yes, Lord. You don't ever want to buy something and not get your hands on it immediately. If some company makes you wait 30 minutes to get something digitally, you're like, man, now I just paid for it, right? But unfortunately, when it comes to working and building success in any place, any part of life, you're gonna put in work today, it's gonna get rewarded later. And you know, a quick example, I hate always using any women or cars as examples, but there are things that, you know, we typically want, and you could go for a woman as well. When you're gonna be in a relationship, if it's somebody who's not like overly sexual, you have to plant the seeds first to even get the date. Sometimes you gotta go on a date 3, 4, 5 dates. You're investing your time and your energy into that, and then you reap the reward later, right? Or an investment, which would have been a better call. You put money into something over here, and then you get rewarded over time as that investment grows and starts making you more money. Now there's more money, and then that money makes you money, okay? So you never are gonna sow. You're never gonna record a song today and see the results. I got songs from 2 years ago that are just now releasing in the next couple weeks, okay? Music videos I shot last year that are just now releasing in the next few weeks. Like, it's how it is. You'll create things and you're not gonna get paid for them. You're gonna write songs that are never gonna see the light of day. Those are all seeds. Just remember this though, every time you put in any amount of work, you gotta look at it like a seed, right? Every song that you do, whether it's a failure or not, you know, sometimes that seed won't grow because the song wasn't good enough. It's okay. The more seed that you plant, the more the likelihood is that in that next season, you have a whole forest instead of just having a little garden, okay? Every single time that you make a decision to put in more work, to plant another seed, to do another song, to take that extra step, to go to the next thing, that's another seed. You could be planting hundreds, you could be planting, you know, 10, 20 seeds a day. Or you can watch TV and no seeds get planted, right? Like, if you start thinking about it like that, you'll feel an instant gratification from doing the thing that you were doing because the reward is the fact that that seed was planted. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a great way to think about it. It's a really great way. I didn't even really think about it like that until right now when I said it, and it's freaking a really, really good way to think about it, because that is gonna give you the instant gratification that you feel like you need. So there's a season to sow and there's a season to reap. But you're never going to reap in the same season, okay? So plant those seeds now and get that return on your time investment and your sacrifices later. Very simple, and something that I really hold as a big, powerful thought process. Just stop expecting things instantly. Start expecting them later, but do expect them. But you gotta keep on working until they get there. Yes, sir. You get me? So, you know, think about it like one brick at a time. Don't think about it like you're building the whole building, because you know it's gonna take you very hard. You can't build a whole building at once. Seed, call the seed a brick. Either way, that building won't be built until next season, right? Take a couple months to build a building. Just start reframing the way that you think about things for your mind to work better, to make you want to work more. That's really what it's about. You re-triggering yourself, you rewiring yourself to want to work more, to enjoy working more. All those things. What you need to do is rewire yourself. So it's all it's about is rewiring yourself so that you can be the best version of you possible, so you're getting the most done. That's what has gotten me where I am today, was the consistent rewiring and like, what can I do? And it's not even that hard. It takes time to do that rewiring anyway, but when you learn one thing at a time, which is the type of stuff that I try to teach you, right? That's what it is. That's how you do it. One thing at a time. Take a video, apply it. Just apply this thought process. Just think, I'm gonna do things today that I'm gonna get rewarded later, but I'm planting seed. That alone is this whole video in a nutshell. A nut that would not build if there wasn't a seed planted. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to work on this. I'm going over stuff for the music industry shortcut so I can make it perfect for this launch for y'all and all the new people I'm hiring to expand my businesses and my visions, all right? Make sure you check out the Boss Mode Everything show. New episode every single day on my Rob Level channel. New music every few weeks. I'm about to shoot 15 music videos. I am going to be one of the biggest artists of all time. You ain't gotta believe me. I planted so many seeds you're gonna see next season. Okay? You're gonna see.
Boss mode everything. Whoa.